We may not be able to see, but we certainly can hear it. Good stuff. Yes, I'm so sorry for that, no, because I don't know what happened. Even if I am outside, no, but I have a very bad internet connection. So I hope that you enjoyed this this rain. No worries because I will talk some video right now, and then if you will miss the rain again, and then if you will miss the rain again, and then you can visit on my channel only and try to hear the sounds of the rain, no? I took some videos here. It's your first time in my live stream that you see the rain. It's your first time.
Maligo di silin.
Isa may magunit.
Papa.
Papa? Ina. Alam, baldim. Ang balde, oy. Kev. Ang balde, maguba. Hello, 5 viewers. Good evening, everyone. Good evening? No, it's not evening, oy. Thanks, Kelly. What's Mercy Cave cooking? I don't know, Yuho, oy, because I'm just only in outside, no, but I don't know what is Mr. Cave cooking right now. I think it's a fish again, oy. Because this morning, Cave was going to the market again, no? And then he'll buy some frozen foods for the kids, and then fish also, chicken. Kev, kaligo ba? Kev, kaligo. Ayo. Eloisa. Hoy, ligo ba? Oh, the rain was heavy. Oh, you see that, Yoho?